Why is HTML is used? HTML is a basic structure of an element. You may be thinking, what is the basic structure? Sir, what is the basic structure, sir? Yes, basic structure, suppose you have a house, you have a house, yes, this is my house. Now just this foundation and bringing up the walls and fixing up without any decoration is HTML. Now design, all the designing part is known as CSS. Now here, suppose if I fix a fan, now if I press the button, the fan is rotating, some action is happening. Switch on the light, switch off the light, that action is happening. This action is nothing but JavaScript. Today we'll be seeing the basic structure of an application, how the application is developed. The application is developed using HTML. I'm going to share my screen, okay? Now I'm creating a folder. Now I'm going to create the folder. Right click, create a new folder. Here I'm renaming it to online class DCL online class. Enter. Where I have created a folder? On desktop. Today it will be a very important session. Today I'm going to share all the shortcuts and basic things. Interview, very much I'm going to start with the interview oriented things, okay? Now I'm going to create a folder. I have already created a folder on desktop. Here I'm going to open VS Code. Yes, this here I'm going to open Control B is a file structure. Control B. Here Creating open folder. Here desktop. In this desktop DCL online class open. Now you are into आप लोग सब DCL ऑनलाइन क्लास के अंदर फोल्डर के अंदर है. We are into online DCL class folder. Now here I'm going to click it and creating a new file called hello.html. Here .html is a HTML extension. Why it is used? We are telling the VS Code that we need to have a HTML platform or editor. So this is hello.html. This hello.html is inside online DCL online class. Now I'm going to, yes, now I have created a folder. I have created a template boilerplate. How it is? Shift 1 exclamatory mark, shift दबा के and एक दबाना चाहिए, that is your exclamatory mark. Then as soon as you press this is the element or this is the boilerplate of HTML. In this doc type, I'm going to tell you each and everything. Whatever is written here. I'm going to go very slow. I'm going to do the postmortem of each this HTML content. Yes, okay. Now doc type, HTML is a document type. After 2018, once we started with HTML ES6 ECMAScript 6, then from there HTML is a document type. Here language is using a language. We are going to use the language as English. Whenever there is a open tag, there should be a closing tag. HTML code is always written inside HTML tag. There are two major elements of HTML. What are the major elements of HTML? Head and the body. Important interview question. Please write it down. What are the major elements of HTML? What are the major elements of HTML? The major elements of HTML is head and the body, head and the body, head and the body. Side heading as head. Head is used to write meta, head is used to write meta, title, style tag, link external CSS and linking external pages, etc. Please take down this. Yes, here meta, sir, what is this meta? Meta is nothing but it is a metadata. It is an information. It is an information. Sir, what do you mean by this? Why we use this, sir? We use this for SEO, that is search engine optimization. This is interview question. Please write it down. Meta is known as metadata. It is an information. It is an information. It is used for SEO purpose. That is search engine optimization. Yes. Here title. Sir, what is it mean by title? Here we have to save it. Control S. How will get to know it is got saved or not? See here, it is white dot. If there is a white dot, then it is not saved. Here Control S. Now I want to see the output. Go to folder. Go to what the folder you have created. Click on this. Double click. Open with Google Chrome. Please open with Google Chrome because third-party library will not support for other browser engine. Okay. Yes. Here is the document. I'm going to delete all these things. Here is the document. What is this document? This is the title of our application. Here instead of document I'm going to say as hello. This is, or else I'll make it as the coding lab. I want to make it O as small letter. Yes, the coding lab. See here, this is my title, that is the coding lab. This is my title, the coding lab. This is my address bar. Okay. Here I'm going to write now. Here I'm going to write hello. Now side heading has body. Side heading as body. Body is used to write the content of my application. Body is used to write the content of our application. Body is used to write the content of our application. Okay. Now I'm writing the content. This is my content. Save this. Here I'm going to refresh. Control R. Here is the hello. Just for example, I'm going to write some tag h1 hello welcome to the class class. Refresh. Control R. Alt tab for switching pages. Save this. Control S. There is no white dot, that means you have saved. Yes, there is no white dot, that means you have saved. Yes. Now save this. Alt tab. Control R. Hello, welcome to the class. Now today we are going to see some basic. Now before this, Control Z. Save this. Yes. Body is used to write the content of our application. Where it will be displayed? It will be displayed on DOM. It will be displayed on DOM. Now what is DOM? This is the entire thing, white page from here to here. This is DOM. What do you mean by DOM? It is the interview question. DOM full form is document object model. 100% interview question. Yes. Now I'm going to start some basic tag, that is heading tag. Heading tag, HEADING, heading. Heading tag. Now I don't want this. I'm going to comment this. How I'm going to comment? Control slash. I'm going to comment this by giving control slash heading tag. That means whichever is in green color, just take the color combination. Whichever is the green color, that means it is for rough use. That means it is for rough use. Just here heading tag, heading tag. There are 6 types of heading tag. H1, hello, H2, hello, H3, hello, H4, hello, H5, hello, H6, hello. Save this, save this. Yes, see here, hello, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Why it is used? Sir, what is the difference here? The difference is the size difference. Why it is used? It is used to write the different types of headings. Sir, what if I write H7? H7 is not present inside the library. What is library? See here, H. So these are all things. H. This entire thing is the library. Here, forcefully I am going to create H7. Control Z. If I write in H7 or different tag or H8, H9, it will not become even smaller. That will take it as a normal text. Yes. Save this. Yes. Now, okay. This is my heading tag. Let's see. Suppose my heading is India. My heading is H1 IND IA India. This is my heading. I want to give one subheading as ABOUD about IND India. That is, I'm going to write it as H1 H2 as ABOUD about IND IA India. Save this, refresh. To use different types of heading, we are going to use different types of heading tag. Okay. Now I want to write the paragraph. About India. For paragraph, yes, we have p tag. Here I will go to Google. This is the Wikipedia. I'm going to copy all 3 paragraphs. Control C, Control V. This is my paragraph. How many paragraphs? I have taken 3 paragraphs. But only one paragraph is visible. That means it will delete ignore the unwanted space. Paragraph tag, p tag. Paragraph tag is known as p tag. Paragraph tag is nothing but p tag. Okay. Here the space is there. So what if I give more spaces, sir? Okay. That means the space, how much of space I'm giving, it is ignoring. For this we have break tag. Yes, break tag. Here Indonesia. Sir, I need one more break. BR tag. Refresh, break. Now I'm going to apply the same break here also. Yes, it is. But we don't use BR tag. We are going to use different paragraph tag. different paragraph, different paragraph. We are going to use different paragraph. Yes, this is paragraph tag. Suppose if I don't have internet, suppose we don't have internet. Now I'm going to tell all the shortcuts. What are the shortcuts for the HTML? The shortcuts of HTML are, before this I'm going to just clean the board for 30 seconds.